Hello everyone. I would like to welcome you to my channel. This is Dollars Make Sense, and on this channel you will find videos about how to make money online. Easy ways on how to make money online. They're not hard. You just have to put in a little bit of work, okay? And you have to have time and patience to do it. Now, if you're new to this channel, I would like for you to like this video, share it with all your friends, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I make a video. So, basically, like I said, I changed this name to Dollars Make Sense only because it does make sense to me that you guys have more videos that are free that are talking about free ways to make money online because I'm a part of like paid opportunities, and not a lot of people have the money to invest into those. So I decided to show you guys ways that I make money online without having to invest anything, except maybe if I do trial offers. I invest a couple of dollars to do that to get my points. So sorry about that. But yeah, we're gonna get into the video, and what we're gonna be talking about today is the app called Buzzbreak. Now, Buzzbreak, you get paid to, you know, um, read news articles, and you get the points for it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how it works. So you click on this news article right here, and you can read it if you want. Just scroll down here and let this timer here count down, and you'll get 50 points. I got 50 points. I think it's because of where I'm at. I'm a level 2. But when you first start, it's gonna be a lower amount. So you just do that. You just let it click on the ad. Let the counter count down. Sometimes it'll be a longer one. Let it count down, and when it's done, you will get the Okay, so scroll to the bottom and get the reward. Okay, so that's what you do. You do this every day, all day long. Next, we have the video section. You guys can watch videos and get points. Okay, you can choose either the popular or the hip hop, either one. And right here we have this little gift box. What you do is you click on this and let it load up, and then you will get your reward for clicking on that. There's tons of ways on it. You can make money doing clicking on the articles, watching the videos. This little box here. Let's go over to wallet. Okay, so you see right here I have 38,598 points. That's actually I have 0.3859. That's 0.38 cents. Okay, so I have actually 0.38 cents. Okay, and I can cash out whenever I want to. So let me show you this cash out. Okay, so you click on the X here, and here we are. I cashed out twice today, so I should have 20 cents in my PayPal account. I'm going to show you guys that. So right now I can cash out 2 cents or 10 cents because right now it says 0.38. That means I have enough to cash out either 2 cents or 10 cents. When this says 0.50, that's 50 cents, okay? You can cash out when it says 50 cents, okay? It's hard to understand because I know it looks like it says 38,000, 598. That's what it says, but it's actually what you need to look at is the first 3 numbers. So 0.38, that's 38 cents. So you can cash out 38 cents if you wanted to, okay? If you want to go higher and cash out 50 cents, you can. And they say it takes, you receive it within 48 hours, but it's less than that. Okay, so you can check in daily for points, and you have free points right here. You guys can do tons of offers on here. You can download apps. You play the game and you do what it says and you get the points. And over here we have free points, which is surveys, and you tap research surveys. These are amazing, you guys, because you get disqualification points. And you do these daily. You can do these every single day and get points for it. Now, this is what I wanted to talk to you about that I have not discussed yet. You guys can earn more points just by spinning this wheel, okay? And you can get the free spin. You can get 1,000 points, 100 points, 10 points. You know, I've gotten 10, I've gotten 100, I've gotten 1,000, I've gotten, you know, the free spin, all that. Next time, you know, I've gotten that just for spinning this wheel. This is more points you guys can earn. You can rack up, okay? So, I want to show you guys something really quick. Proof that I got paid from this app so you guys can know that I'm not making this up. So, I received a 10-cent payment from BuzzBreak, okay? So right now it says I have $1.08 in here. What's this? Let's click on this. Oh, that's nothing. Okay. So right now it says I have $1.08 in my PayPal balance, okay? And I'm not sure why it's only showing one payment of 10 cents, but I cashed out two, and I'm not sure if, but yeah, I did cash out two, 20 cents, so I should have another 10 cents tomorrow. So I wanted to show you that because that's proof that I did get paid, and, you know, so I wanted you to see that, so you guys can see that I have gotten paid from BuzzBreak. And let me go over here just to make sure. Sorry, let me see if I can do another cash out here for 10 cents. I know you guys are like 10 cents, that's not a lot. 10 cents adds up. 50 cents would be better because you can 50 cents and 50 cents is $1. So you guys can rack up more with 50 cents than you can with 10 cents. Okay. But I just wanted to show you proof that it does pay. If it's 10 cents or not, it shows you it does pay. And it takes less than 48 hours. It's not 40. You could wait 2 days if you want. But I got paid today. I cashed out this morning, like around 7 or 8, and I got home and it was like 11. I had gotten paid at 11:20 a.m. So I cashed out this morning at 7 a.m., 7 or 8, and I received the payment. So let's see if I can cash out 10 cents. So yeah, the other cash out hasn't gone through yet. So you guys can only you can cash out whenever your other cash out, like say you cashed out 10 cents right now, you cannot cash out another 10 cents until that previous 10 cents has already been sent to your PayPal. So once that is done pending and it gets approved and it's sent out to you, then you can cash out another 10 cents, okay? So yeah, I'm able to cash out 10 cents. Like I said, you guys, just do what I said. You know, click on the news ad. You can read it if you want to. Just let the timer count down, and when it's done, you scroll down to the bottom and receive your points. Okay? Okay? And you can rack up points every single day. You can click on this gift box and rack up points. Videos, watch videos, do surveys, tap researcher. Amazing, you want to do that because it gives you at least 1,000 points. Okay, if you disqualify, you can share BuzzBreak with your groups on Facebook and earn 1,000 points. You can follow BuzzBreak on Facebook and get 300 points. So there's a lot of things you can do. Okay, so this just shows you what I've done. You know, how much I've earned. You know, today I got 50 points for doing the news ad article. I earned 50 free points for clicking on the gift box. I earned another point for checking in, and I earned free points for the 5, you know, just for for clicking on that little thing, timer clock at the top of the page here. So just remember, you guys, there's tons of things to do on this app. And I'm happy I was able to show you my payment proof. And I'm going to take you over here as well to see my other apps. Okay, so the new apps I downloaded on here is Fishing Break, Word Journey, Fishing Fantasy, and Lucky Go. I've seen all these advertisements when I was on BuzzBreak. Okay, and all these apps make me money, all of them, every single one of these. Okay, I will come back later and make a video about all these apps, but right now, I just wanted to give you guys a little, heads up on BuzzBreak to show you where I'm at and how you can be making money. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I make or upload new videos. Take care.